Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. I have been away. I was on vacation. My son was home for summer break and I just needed a mental break from YouTube, but I am back now. So if you're interested in hearing about this deal that I got in a new district that I have not gotten a deal in, please stay tuned. Please note that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. So the Northern District of Mississippi, I have not gotten a deal in that area before, but I mailed out some documents to a client and he mailed them back. He worked for a company that filed bankruptcy and he didn't get all of his vacation time. This is the second deal that I've gotten that was similar. The other one was in the Northern District of Virginia, different company, but similar situations. And in both of those, I just mailed the documents. Of course, they're going to remember working there. They knew what I was talking about, and they sent everything back to me. So people often ask me, can you go after creditors? Yes, you can. I think that individual creditors are easier to go after because they're going to remember exactly what's going on. They may not know the process to filing the documents, again, which is why you're here to help them with that. But sometimes dealing with companies like a Bank of America or Wells Fargo, those are going to be harder to penetrate because you're going to have to call the collection agency, find the right person, find the manager who has the authority to sign off on these documents that you're sending them. So anyway, this is one that I was able to get in this particular district. Now, they work extremely fast. I filed this on the 29th of August. I got an order just yesterday. I was checking and I got an order granting it on the 31st. So you may want to check out this district from time to time. This works extremely fast. Now, it's pretty standard language in the order, as you can see on the bottom. It's always 14 days after the order is issued when you'll get your check or your payment. Now, I'm not for certain if this district is one that gives you the electronic fund transfer or if you're going to get an actual check. Now, if you're new to my channel, please know bankruptcy unclaimed funds, they will pay you directly as a locator. So you don't have to wait on your client to hopefully pay you back. You're not chasing after funds. This is a nice, one of the nice things about working in the bankruptcy unclaimed funds is that you get your funds directly and then you take your portion and you give it back to the client. So all in all, really nice to work with. I actually did not have to speak to any of the staff, so I don't know how friendly they were to work with. I didn't get any deficiencies or anything. You can just see it's pretty straightforward. The 29th, I filed everything in. You do see here on the Pacer court docket that I had to transfer a claim. Now, there is a fee associated with transferring the claim. It's $26 that I had to submit with everything else. And that process to doing this, again, is in the $500 program. So if you're interested in doing this and learning this process, please click on the link. Please send me an email, springsolutionsllc@gmail.com. I will be glad to help you. So this payout overall, $31.7247. And then I charge a little bit more than 20%. So I'm going to get $650 back once all of this has been completed. And so I am going to do another video after this one that's going to show a few of my student testimonies and deals that they've received. And all of them used, again, the $500 method, what's in the $500 program. Now, I do from time to time get people that are new. They're following my channel. I do have a lot of general information on my YouTube channel because you can find that online already. You can go to the bankruptcy court website and you can find certain information. What you're not going to be able to find out there and what you're not going to be able to find on my YouTube channel is the actual process on filling in the documents, what you need to say, what you need to write. That is something that, again, is in the program. So you can figure this out on your own. Or you can just, take the program. I've kind of taken the guesswork out of it for you. Just want to put that out there. This is certainly something that you can learn and do on your own, but it took me a minute, even with having a paralegal background, all right? So this is one of the deals that I received. I also, in the process of completing a deal, my first deceased deal, so once that's been completed, I'll be able to put that packet information into the course so that you can see my own example. You can see what I used, what I wrote, because it is slightly different than the regular language that you use when you're doing this just for regular claims. So I'm hoping that that will be helpful to some. Again, please stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.